Hey there guys, how's it going? Today's art study style is a little bit different. I gave myself up to 2.5 hours to basically just throw as much of an image onto the page as I could by going in with rough colour blocking and lighting. Really, this is nothing but a bit of experimentation for my good self. However, a great big thank you to all of you. We've hit 250,000 subscribers on the channel. What the hell is all that about? I am so pleased, and a great big thank you to all of you guys. So as a result, let me give something back. It's time for another giveaway. I'm going to be sending out to one of you guys the UG 1060 Pro graphics drawing tablet anywhere worldwide. So seriously, don't miss out. This one is super easy. I just want to give something back and say thanks. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter. Really simple. It's mikeymegamega. There's a link below. If you can, put your Twitter username in the comment section below to this video so that when I hunt up a winner towards the end of the month, I'll know what's going on. But it's really that simple. I'm going to be putting a great big competition thing on Twitter itself with a big retweet this post kind of mention, just so that everybody knows what's going on. Just follow me on Twitter. If you're already following me, that's fine. Put your Twitter username below, and at the end of the month, you might win one of those bad boy tablets.
Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, blame no one but you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. I won't miss this love, no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Again, this is just one of those super quick art study videos, although this one for me is much more of an experimentation progress that I've decided to also upload. Don't forget to be in with a chance of winning a free graphics drawing tablet. Let me send it out to you. Follow me on Twitter, link below. Job done, and I'll see you next time. Take care.